Bossy, I'm fully active again.
Ersker.
I mean, no, said it miss me, you know.
No, I did not.
Anyways, Bossy, me have some more friend who want join the ark. D.A.G boy can join the ark.
No.
But Bossy, I have a continental girl on the ark.
I already have to put up with one womanizer.
Oh God, Bossy, you can hardly see. Give him a blind, no?
Next, Noah.
Alright. You change your mind about squash?
Noah!
Okay. What about Valiant?
Noah, what is wrong with you?
Bossy, you just a fight out you all of my friend them, so.
Maybe you need better friends.
Rastafari.
Excuse me?
Sorry, I mean Bossifari. Later, my God.
Hello, come here.
Yeah?
What is Kraft doing on my ark? Have him vacate my ark immediately.
Alright, Bossy, Ersker. Oh, Bossy. What about Roger Wild? He could have...